2010 paper 2 question 2, it's histograms. And the number of things we have to look out for here, fields rounded to the nearest leader. So if we start with our groupings, the first one has to become 7.5 to 9.5, then 9.5 to 11.5, 11.5 to 14.5, 14.5 to 17.5, and finally 17.5 to 19.5. In a histogram, frequency is represented by the area of the rectangle, so we need a width, a height and an area. So width of 2, 2, 3, 3 and 2. Our frequencies, first of all, are 6, which means the frequency density, the height has to be 3. 8, which gives us 4. 12, which also gives us 4. 9, which gives us 3, and 3, 1.5. 7.5 to 9.5 is a width of 2, so I'm going to use 2 squares. Then going to 11.5, 14.5, 17.5, and finally 19.5. I don't have a tool for a ruler on this. It's important that you use a ruler on the day. First height is 3, then 4, 4 again, 3, and then finally 1.5. So on the day, please ensure that you use a ruler.